The MSI MP GUNGNIR 300R White is a premium mid-tower gaming case that boasts a sleek white design with a tempered glass side panel for showcasing your hardware. It comes pre-installed with 3 addressable RGB intake fans and 1 exhaust fan, all of which can be easily controlled through the I/O panel or synchronized with Mystic Light software for a vibrant display. This case supports impressive airflow with full-length mesh panels on the front and top, which can accommodate up to 3 120mm fans or a 360mm radiator each. The spacious interior design allows for compatibility with E-ATX motherboards and features an adjustable graphics card support stand for even the heaviest GPUs. Convenience is a priority with an Insta-Lite I/O panel that includes a high-speed USB Type-C port and multiple USB Type-A ports for fast connectivity. Smart design features like concealed cable routing, sliding HDD cage, and vertical SSD docks ensure a tidy and efficient build.